Hello, fellow gardeners. Well, we're coming to you from the garden center you see today. I want to talk to you about a video that I put out that I've wished many a time I'd have never put out. It was kind of a mistake, I guess. I didn't know it at that time, but you know, as you go through life, you learn things that you shouldn't have done that you did do. Now, don't get me wrong. That growing that cucumber in that barrel did wonderful for us. But now we were in a high tunnel, and we put them out in February, and they worked fine. We got a crop over with before it got real hot for the water. But now then, here we are up in nearly to the 1st of June, and people are texting me and calling me and said they're going to put their cucumber in their barrel, and what all fertilizer should have put in there and everything. Well, that was good and fine on what I did, and I told you what to do on that video and everything, but let me tell you, starting out in last of May, 1st of June, weather's already in its 90s, you're not going to complete this cucumber in this barrel of water. Now, don't get me wrong, it's a wonderful idea. I mean, it worked. If y'all can help me figure out something that we can do to this water to keep it from getting so hot in the summertime. So those of you that are out there with got brilliant minds and you're thinking about this, text me or call me and let's talk about it, because the problem with growing a cucumber in here, it gets up here, start to making cucumbers, and the water gets up so hot that it cooks the roots and the plant dies, and therefore you don't get any cucumbers. So if you can figure out a way that we can keep that water cool through the summer, I mean, I know you could run pipe down in here and back over into an ice box and cool that water off and let it keep running, but not everybody's going to do that. But if we had some simple way to keep this water cool during the hot summer so the cucumber could grow, then it'd be wonderful. We would go ahead and tell the people what they could do and everything, but this is, so many people have tried this in the last 3 or 4 years since I put that video on. That's the most popular video we have, is the one of the cucumber growing in the barrel. So I'm asking for your help. If you can help me figure out a way to keep this water cool. I know you could put ice cubes in it every morning, but who's going to do that? I know people even thought about burying this barrel in the ground all the way up and just leaving the top of it and then laying the insulation sheet over the top of it to keep it cool. Most people are not going to go to that trouble. We got to find some simple, easy way to keep this water cool, and then it will be okay. But yes, you just mix up 1 teaspoon per gallon. We need 50 teaspoons in this barrel of whatever fertilizer we put in there. So I'm just saying, don't use this barrel for cucumbers. I'd rather see you go put them in the soil in either a cattle mineral tub or in a grow bag and grow them there. It'd be a lot more simple than this, because you can't keep this water cool. Okay, now then, that's enough said about this barrel. I'm just asking you, don't even try it unless you want to experiment a little or something, but the water will get hot on you this summer. Okay. Now then, we've had rain all over the country, and people are calling me and texting me, what am I going to do? It's rained, lots here in the last 4 or 5 weeks, and having fertilizer left in my barrel. Well, let me tell you, the granular fertilizer that you put in your tub, it is still there. It's a slow release. It didn't wash all out. So you're okay on the 5 granulars that you put in there. It's okay. Just leave that in there. You're still good to go. Now, yes, if you got 8 or 10 inches of rain into your cow tub, yeah, probably you don't have any liquid fertilizer in the bottom, because that water's all pushed down and run out or weakened it, so diluted it so that there's not enough in there. And I made a video, I think it's already came out, but just to help you a little bit, just go mix you up, probably 5 teaspoons of that master blend if that's what you're using, or 5 teaspoons of the Nature Source, whether you're still growing your plants up to get ready to bloom, or whether you're already on the blooming part, is according to what fertilizer you use. But take you about a half a gallon of water or something, and mix those 5 teaspoons in there and stir it up and pour it right around the outside edge of your tub and let it go down into that water, and that way you've got some all the way around in there, and that puts your fertilizer back into your water, okay? You can't hurt anything. Please, just go ahead and put your 5 teaspoons in there and a half gallon of water, pour it around there, and it will seep right down into the bottom, into your water, and you're good to go. If you like this, you don't like it because you can't grow the cucumbers now, I'm asking you not to. But anyway, subscribe, ring the bell. And by the way, Sherry told me to mention that they have plenty of t-shirts if you need some of our new t-shirts. This is what they're making. They're 20 bucks a piece. There's people asking us about these, and if you'd like child ones, tell Sherry the sizes you'd like to have, and she's got children's too. 580-564-2166 will get Sherry, okay? If you need me about this Barrell, or text me or call me, 580-564-5909. Thank you now. Subscribe, punch the button, ring the bell, and we'll make you another video.